everyone. Good afternoon. Today we will discuss about how you can build a SmartBiz website and what are the advantages you have as a Amazon seller when you build your own D2C channel using SmartBiz. So we'll start. Um, uh, just to give you a brief overview, SmartBiz is in the D2C industry, which is growing at a very fast rate in India currently. It is projected to reach a $60 billion of revenue run rate by 2027, and it has a very rapid upward trajectory, which means it really makes sense for any e-commerce seller to have their own D2C website to do e-commerce, without which they're losing a very significant share of e-commerce in the market, which they can gain. Just a few more points on why you should do D2C. You also have more brand control on your website. You can have your own brand imagery, the colors you want, the font you want. You can have stronger customer relationships instead of operating on very standardized platforms which have a standard CX and UX flow. Using SmartBiz, you can choose the type of customer experience you want, hence build stronger customer relationships. Major advantage of D2C is you have access to first party data. You will have all your customer names, mobile numbers, their addresses, contact details, which you can use to retarget and create customer cohorts and analyze your customer data. And it provides higher profit margins because SmartBiz has a lot of Amazon link differentiators, which allow you to save a lot of cost on shipping, on your store setup, and many other areas. So yeah, that's a little bit about what SmartBiz is. We are now present with 10,000 plus brands in India, and these are some of our large brands. I already spoke about why you should do D2C and why you should build a website. I talk a little bit about why you should do it on SmartBiz. SmartBiz is a no-code storefront, is a completely integrated e-commerce suite with shipping, payments, everything integrated, and it has all the Amazon linked differentiators with it. What a no-code store builder helps you is save a lot of cognitive overload which you have in choosing the right plugins, payments, shipping. Everything comes out of the box in SmartBiz. Um, I spoke about integrated e-commerce suite. I will speak about seamless order management. Another advantage which SmartBiz provides is the capability to link with multiple shipping partners and have a very easy to use order management dashboard where you can look at your customer details, choose whether to accept the orders, contact customers via WhatsApp directly from the order management system. We also show RTO risk highlight on the OMS, which you can leverage to whether you want to send the shipment to your customer or not. Some other advantages which come with SmartBiz are with our Buy with Amazon plugin. Buy with Amazon is a unique checkout solution which leverages Amazon's customer data to provide a faster checkout experience to customers on the SmartBiz website. What it does is it syncs the Amazon ratings and reviews on the website. It syncs the addresses which the customers have on their Amazon app, and it also helps in leveraging the Amazon inventory to fulfill your orders using the Amazon's fulfillment network. And I will talk more about this in the upcoming slides. And while I take questions from you, meanwhile, I'll also talk about Amazon shipping, which is a separate Amazon link differentiator which we have, which you can link as a courier partner on your SmartBiz website. So in case you don't want to use a third-party courier partner or don't want to use your FBA inventory, you can use Amazon shipping as your courier partner to ship your products from your own warehouse. It has an industry-leading on-time delivery rate of about 97%. It has a hassle-free pickup and delivery service, and it also helps you save a lot of cost on your shipping because we have negotiated rates with Ship with Amazon to act as the most low-cost shipping provider on your SmartBiz website. What Buy with Amazon also helps is in RTO optimization. It auto fills the addresses of customers at checkout, saving them time and also helping the seller validate that the address is correct and will not lead to any RTO risks. We also provide prepaid nudges, which you can configure using discounts and offers on your payment page. You can also set up separate offers on your SmartBiz website, cart level offers, product level offers, etc. We also provide a very easy to use and handy dashboard for analytics across sales, orders, returns, etc. So yeah, and this is a very brief comparison of how SmartBiz is versus other ICs. And while I answer the specific questions, I'll come to each of them. But SmartBiz essentially helps you save 20 to 30% of your website setup cost compared to any other player in the market. Yeah, so that's a little bit about SmartBiz. I'll be happy to take any more questions which you have regarding SmartBiz, and I'll be happy to answer those.
Bhagyashi, can you also show how some of the SmartBiz websites look like?
Sure. Just give me a second. I'll share my. So this is one SmartBiz website which I have open on my screen. If you can see, this website has every feature which you need to have a superior customer experience. You can choose the size of the logo which you have, whether you want it the center or the left side. You have a search bar which helps customers easily search directly for any specific product which they want. You can configure this nav bar with whatever items you want to display here. You can have your custom pages shown here. You can have your category pages, collections. Currently, we provide four themes. This website is on one of our latest themes, which allows you to configure multiple header images. This is an offer which this seller has configured, and most of the cart level offers and product level offers will appear just below your header. But you can choose wherever else you want these widgets to appear on the website. It's completely customizable. We also provide a quick view option on our homepage, which the customers can use to view the product right away and shop it instead of having to go to the product page. There are multiple widgets which we have, which you can use to display your collections, your categories, your specific products, which are your bestsellers. And you can see these widgets are completely customizable. You can choose what font you want as the widget header, the font you want as in the description of the widget, the images which you would want as the thumbnails for these categories. It's all up to you. We also have another widget which you can use to show a carousel of all your best-selling collections or the collections which you want to highlight basis a seasonal sale. This is another widget which we have, which is called an Ascenian widget, which you can use for multiple types of content and copy which you want to show on your homepage. We have an About Us section on the homepage where you can briefly talk about your brand, while you can also build a custom page to have your About Us detailed out on that. And this is a testimonial widget where you can show your customer stories about how they have liked your product. You can include images of real customers here, which increases your customer trust. This is a banner which you can link to any specific page, which can be a product, a category, or a collection. And you can also replicate these banners up to 7 times. So if you want multiple banners on your homepage showing different types of offers or coupons, you can do that. We also have something called video commerce, which we integrate seamlessly with our SmartBiz website, where you can show the videos of the products. And these are all shoppable videos. Like the link to this product is already there on this video. And if the customer likes this product, they can directly click on this link and shop for the product. This is our Instagram widget, which updates the content which you upload on Instagram in real time while showing your followers. This is a very cool way to kind of have your Insta content also showed on your website to increase engagement of your customers and increase your credibility through a social proof. This is a trust marker widget which the seller has chosen to keep at the bottom of their homepage, but you can move this around depending on the category of products which you're selling. You can configure all your social media handles in the footer, and you can also choose what type of address you want to show here, which customer contact number, customer support number you want to show. We also have a WhatsApp widget which the customers can use to directly reach out to you, and you can choose which number you want to configure for this WhatsApp widget. So that's how our website looks like. What I can also do is I can show you how the backend of SmartBiz looks like. So once you open this link smartbiz.amazon.in/home, you will have to log in with the same credentials which you have used to build the website, and you will land on this homepage. This homepage shows some basic analytics of a specific date range, usually the last 1 week. where it shows you the order value, the total orders, the website visits, conversion rate, and it also shows you the trend that whether this has grown or degrown week on week. It also shows you some of the important callouts like whether you have new orders, whether you have orders pending to ship, if you are low on stock on certain products. It can show you these buttons which you can use to take quick actions. It also helps you look at some of the help content which we have, like how you can build, say, device specific hero banners, how you can access some of our educational content. So this homepage is like your, landing page for you to go everywhere you want to go within the website. You can also view your website directly from this homepage. Apart from that, we have other pages like the catalog page where you can edit your products. You can look at the different categories, the collections. There is this orders page where you can look at all your orders on the OMS. How do you want to fulfill them? We also have a very hands-on analytics page where you can look at your sales data on day in and day out. Just it's opening. Yeah, so this is the sales analytics page where you can see your total sales, orders, prepaid payments. You can look at your customer cohorts, at how many new customers you have, how many repeat customers you have. You can change the date range here, like which date range you want to see. If you want to see this analytics for a specific category or a specific product, you can do all of that. It shows your order funnel. It also shows you sales by region, which is a very important marker for you to decide where you want to have your inventory placed. It will also show your top selling products and by what value or what count they are selling. We also have other analytics pages like for traffic, returns, and we also have a page where you can download the detailed reports for all of these analytics. This is a type of view which we have provided for easy access and easy analysis. You can download all the raw data from the report section, whichever report you want, whether it's your sales report, your inventory report, your purchase history, your tax report, everything you can download from here. We also have a section where you can let your customers provide reviews and ratings on the website. And all the other changes which you need to do on your storefront in terms of the CX, you will find it in the website appearance section where you can create drafts of your website. You can choose any of our 4 themes, build drafts, build custom pages, and about us pages. For the linking of external plugins, we have the section of growth where you can configure your offers and coupons. You can link your Meta and Google Ads here in this performance marketing section. You can work on the SEO of your website by configuring a title tag and description. And you can also access your trust markers. You can see your trust markers here. You'll have to use an Android device to change. To update your location, your GST details, your custom domain, etc., we have this setting section which you can leverage to configure your domain, your delivery settings, etc. So that's how the front end and the back end looks like.
All right, Bhagyashree. Can you let us know if I am an Amazon seller, what all advantages do I get if I build my website on SmartBiz?
Yeah. So thanks for the question. I think very important question. Given we are part of the Amazon ecosystem, one of the key advantages which you get as an Amazon seller is the ease to migrate your catalog and content to SmartBiz. We have something called one-click migration, which is a very cool feature which allows you to build a basic website with just a click, and it will automatically transform your catalog to your Amazon catalog to the SmartBiz catalog, your content into SmartBiz. Apart from that, you can also use your existing flat files in Amazon to use the import catalog function to build your SmartBiz catalog in no time.
Can you show the import catalog function? Just a button.
Yeah. I'll go to my test store so that I don't change the catalog of the seller. So when you go to your catalog and your product section, you will see this option of add product. When you click on it, you will see this option of bulk actions. When you click on bulk actions, you will see this option of import from Amazon. Here you can upload your Amazon flat file and then proceed, and it will build your SmartBiz catalog in no time. Apart from this, you also get some other advantages with SmartBiz, leveraging your Amazon FC inventory to fulfill your orders on Amazon. It happens through a program called MCF, which lets you show your Amazon inventory in off Amazon platforms like a website, which is SmartBiz, and allow you to use FBA as the fulfillment provider for those orders. For such orders, you don't even have to accept the order. It's completely hassle-free operations where you just have to reflect your inventory on SmartBiz, and as soon as and when orders come, Amazon will pick them up from the warehouse and fulfill them. You can also have your Amazon ratings and reviews appear on the website. I'll just show you one PDP where Amazon ratings and reviews appear. It's a very seamless integration again, but it is a strong customer trust builder when customers see your Amazon ratings and reviews on the website like this. And whenever a product has good ratings and reviews on Amazon, customers tend to purchase it, make the purchase decision faster. You also get something called Ship with Amazon, which I spoke about, which is the courier partner, which is where Amazon works as a courier partner for your SmartBiz website. Apart from that, Amazon also helps in easy in having a easier return policy on your website, because since on marketplace defines the return policies, but on your website you can choose what policies you want to have for your returns. You can easily go and configure them in your settings section. You can choose the return settings, the return policy. In case you don't want to allow returns as well, you can do that. You can switch off returns. So yeah, these are some of the key advantages which you have in case you're on Amazon.
You have spoken about the features. When it comes to the pricing, now what are the benefits that the Amazon seller gets, Amazon marketplace seller gets when it comes to the pricing when compared to other competitors in the market?
Right. So if I have to go by a thumbnail, by a thumb rule, you will have a 20 to 25% lower cost of operating on SmartBiz, primarily due to a lower shipping cost, a lower cost to start, where there is no cost to build the website, no server cost, no plugin cost. You get a lot of plugins out of the box like videos, offers, UD limits, Meta and Google Ads integration, Clarity, etc., without having to pay anything for those. And you also get negotiated rates across Ship with Amazon, MCF, Ship Rocket Enterprise Plan, which is how you save a lot of cost while running SmartBiz versus any other website builder. Plus, given this is an Amazon product, you will always have a higher reliability, higher uptime, which is not a quantitative advantage, but a really important qualitative advantage for you when you're using SmartBiz.
So if I am not an Amazon seller, do I still get all these benefits if I choose SmartBiz over other competitors?
Sure, you will get. You may not have your inventory in Amazon, but you can continue to use Ship with Amazon as your courier partner and enjoy the 97% delivery rates and the lower shipping cost. You can also use the all the features we have, all the free themes, the plugins which we have. You can, even if you don't have Amazon ratings and reviews, you can use your own ratings and reviews on the website. You can also use self-ship. You can continue to use the RTO risk option, which we show on the OMS as an advantage, even if you're not an Amazon seller. So yeah, all of the core advantages of a better conversion, higher reliability, inbuilt plugins, and the Amazon promise continue to be there, irrespective of whether you use Amazon.
Okay. Now, as a seller, when it comes to the integrations, exactly can you list down what all external integrations are already inbuilt in SmartBiz that otherwise, if I choose any other competitor, I would have to get those integrations separately?
Sure. I'll be happy to walk you through those because we are really, proud of the integrations which we provide out of the box. Some of them are video commerce, which I already showed you. In case of video commerce, typically when you go to a third-party website builder, the price of this video commerce plugin can range from anywhere between 5,000 to 50,000. And that's the amount of money which you'll save with SmartBiz. Likewise, we have inbuilt offer plugins like cart level offers, product level offers, payment offers, which on other third party website builders you'll have to pay for a third party plugin for the same. We also, like I already spoke about the shipping fees, which we negotiate and provide you, given we have our own shipping provider called SmartBiz, and ship with Amazon. And we also have negotiated enterprise rates with ShipRocket. So yeah, all of these, plugin costs, the payment cost, the website setup cost are the cost advantages which you have. We also have CAPI integrated on SmartBiz, for which you don't have to pay anything. And just continuing on the plugins which we also have some additional plugins to ease your analytics on your website, specifically your traffic analytics like Google Analytics, where you can see your entire top of the funnel, the sources of traffic, whether they're organic, inorganic, on Facebook, Instagram, or direct clicks. We also have integrated CAPI with our website builder, which improves the tracking of meta ads. We also have Clarity integrated on our website, which helps to track the website heat map, where the customers are looking at, which part of your website is being clicked more. So those kind of analytics you can use apart from the inbuilt orders and sales and traffic analytics, which we already provide within the SmartBiz platform, which I just showed. Yeah.
All right. So you have spoken about all the seller benefits. Now, if my customer is buying through my website, what are the advantages that my customer faces when they are buying from my SmartBiz website versus if my website was built anywhere else?
Very good question. I think at the end of the day, it's very important that what kind of customer experience you're providing on your website. And Amazon being one of the most customer obsessed platforms in the world, we have really looked at how the customer experience should be on SmartBiz. One of the very important features for customers is how fast they can check out on a website. The checkout experience is very important because typically when it's an impulse purchase or even if it's a need-based purchase, no customer wants to wait very long to complete their checkout and payment. What we have done is we have integrated with Amazon, auto populate the customer addresses, have a very seamless checkout process. We have a very reliable payment partner called Razorpay, which is associated with us, making the checkout very seamless, fast, and reliable. We also have several other benefits for the customers. For example, we are integrating with expedited delivery options with MCF. If you have your inventory in Amazon warehouse, your customers can get a faster delivery when you use Buy with Amazon along with MCF. Customers get the Amazon promise when they buy on our SmartBiz website, as it is a website builder from Amazon, and when shipping partners of Amazon like Ship with Amazon or MCF are integrated, customers get a very reliable shipping service as well, and they don't have to worry if their product gets lost or if their product is delayed, because if Amazon is shipping the product, it will get delivered to the customer. And we also have reliable payment options where customers, if they are prepaid customers, they don't have to worry about their money being unsafe. With Razorpay, customers get a very safe payment option, which has a very high uptime and never disappoints customers in terms of the payment experience. Even if their payment failures, the refund is very seamless from Razorpay. So yeah, these are all of the benefits which the customers get. It's a much better customer experience at a lower cost of operations when it comes to SmartBiz. So yeah.
Now, when the customer is shopping through my own website, will they still get all the monetary benefits that they would get when they're shopping on the marketplace? For example, the offers with ICICI credit card or any other offer that's available on the marketplace if I have integrated Buy with Amazon here.
Currently, with Buy with Amazon, we are not integrated with the payment offers which we have. However, what we have done is we've ensured a very seamless payment experience with Razorpay, where you as a seller can configure instrument-wise offers. Like if you want to configure offers on your credit cards, on UPI, on any other payment instrument, you can do that using the Razorpay dashboard. It's a very user-friendly dashboard where you can see all your payment analytics. You can configure instrument-wise offers. You can track the offer analytics on the Razorpay dashboard as well. So yeah, irrespective of whether you are using Buy with Amazon or not, you will be able to leverage the instrument-wise configurations which are there on Razorpay.
All right. Thank you everyone for joining this webinar, and thank you Bhagyashri for answering all our questions. Now, if you are a seller and is interested in using SmartBiz, then you can go on and create your own website. Just go to the website link called www.smartcommerce.amazon.in/smartbiz. Create your own website. While creating, if you're facing any issues, there is the help chat that's available. There are chatbots. If you are still not able to clarify your doubts, you can also talk live with our agents. And yes, thank you everyone for joining. I hope you enjoy this journey with us with Amazon. And yeah, thank you everyone.